Today I am going on an adventure to look for fossils in fossil Oregon, specifically plant fossils. I have a friend who loves rocks, gems, fossils, all that, and he suggested this place to me. So I'm going to head out, hit the road, and see what I can find. All right, so I just picked up a campsite at Viento State Park along the Columbia River Gorge. And yeah, this is where I'll be camping tonight. And I'm gonna be heading towards Fossil, Oregon. Gotta get a skate in whenever I can. About 10 minutes away from Fossil, Oregon. I'm super excited. And there is a small parking lot, I believe, where you can legally collect a couple of plant fossils. And so the fossils are about 30 to 40 million years old. Of course, if you're ever fossil hunting or rock hounding, just be mindful of where you are and where you can and can't collect. All right, so I just made it here, and yeah, it's right behind a high school, literally, Fossil, Oregon. And this hill right over here is where you're able to look for plant fossils. And I think you pay about it's a $5 entry fee. And yeah, I'm excited. I'm gonna see what we find and talk to some of maybe the locals or people here to learn some things. How's it going?
I'm here to offer you my leftovers over preparing to leave.
You heading out?
Yeah,
Dude, it was great meeting you guys.
cool to meet you.
Check out these ones. Big pieces.
Dang, you got a huge one.
Yeah,
What's going on there?
Let me show you the All right, so I just finished a day of searching for plant fossils in Fossil, Oregon, and I found some really beautiful pieces, and I just had a great time, met some really awesome people, and definitely would love to come back to this area in the future. And in general, yeah, it's incredible. So if you're into fossils, if you're into plant fossils, definitely check out the John Day fossil bed area. It's incredible. And yeah, I just had a lot of fun. I'm exhausted, but I'm excited to look through these fossils when I get a chance and get to my campsite on the Columbia River Gorge and relax. All right, thanks for tuning in. I appreciate it, and have a wonderful day or night. Until next time.